Authorized access has come a long way. We now find ourselves stepping into the era of face recognition and contactless access control system. The use of face recognition in access control and time attendance has been a growing trend, which creates an unique touch-free experience. With advanced deep learning technology and practical functions, Hikvision MinMoe face recognition terminal brings better security and improved efficiency to access control and time attendance tracking, making them easier than ever before. Hikvision MinMoe face recognition terminals are specially designed for superior recognition in any environment. Accuracy rate over 99%, recognition speed under 0.2 seconds, fast recognition in low light environment, even in complete darkness. It ensures the face anti-spoofing and access security. It also ensures data encryption to protect data. Easy to manage and operate. Quick and easy registration with various access methods. Remote control via mobile app. Convenient web configurations. Hikvision MinMoe face recognition terminal 331 USBs include portable, sleek, and cost-effective. Value series. Value face terminals offer limited storage capacity for facial images, but offers complete access control and time attendance functions. They can be very suitable and cost-effective for medium and small companies and retail establishment. Pro Series. Pro Series face terminals offers adequate storage capacity for facial images and complete access control and time attendance functions, giving this series the advantage of high cost effectiveness and high adaptability to different application scenarios. Ultra Series. With a large storage capacity of facial images, high performance and comprehensive access control and time attendance functions, the Ultra Series face terminals offer users and clients an excellent user experience. The MinMoe face recognition module for turnstile can be easily integrated to provide the user with complete access solution. The integrated terminal turnstile solution is particularly useful for commercial buildings, banks, and so on. Application scenarios of Hikvision MinMoe face recognition terminal 331 includes corporate offices, industrial parks, retail stores, manufacturing units, schools, and educational institute.